This fabulous new custom-built home by Boylan Homes is located in South Salem Sky Meadows Estates. It's home to great schools and is convenient to shopping, downtown, and the freeway. All new construction, this home featuring quality craftsmanship is move-in ready. From the inviting covered front porch, head inside and discover designer touches throughout, high-end materials, a gas fireplace, and an open concept floor plan. The gourmet kitchen features quartz countertops, contemporary fixtures, and stainless steel appliances. Perfect for main-level living. You'll find a main-level spacious primary suite with high ceilings and a spa-like bath with a soaking tub, dual sink vanity, and a tile shower, plus a large walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,500 square feet has 2 more main-level bedrooms with a full bath. The upstairs provides tons of flexibility with a large bonus room, another bedroom, and a full bath. The fully fenced backyard with a covered, stamped concrete patio is ready for entertaining. You'll find gated RV parking with hookups, a paver driveway, and an oversized 2-car garage with lots of storage. Keeping our rivers clean, the Greenbuilt processes include the latest in on-site stormwater management systems. A fantastic home offering both style and functionality in South Salem Sky Meadows Estates. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.